Hi everyone, welcome back to my craft room. I wanted to share, I have 10 ATC cards here that I've created. I'm entering in some giveaway challenges and some of them are requiring ATCs. So I also worked on some memory decks cards and I'll share those in another video with you. But I did this one first. I thought that was super adorable. I got this piece from, I believe it was Rare Rue, along with this piece here. As a giveaway. She entered in one of my giveaways, and those were embellishments that she sent, so I added those on. So I created those two, and then this one I just created like that. I left it pretty plain and simple, but I still thought it was great where it says "You are amazing," and I really love this paper pad, and that's what I went to with the next little bit. So for the next ones, I used this Pretty Mosaic paper pad. I think this is another one of my favorites. I'm really loving the pinks and all that stuff. And I love the brick and the writing type that is on them. So, so I started creating. So this was another one here. And I bought a stamp from Michael's that has the wording on it. So I just, some of this paper already has the written portion on it. But I added some more to it in ones that didn't have it. So then I have some tulle underneath along with this like mesh. And this mesh actually came from someone who sent me a gift, and that was a part of what they wrapped it in. And so I've used it in some crafts and I absolutely just love it. And just added a touch of black, put a little flower and a circle vellum piece there. Love that. So that's one there. The next two that I have are these ones here. Actually, this one probably go this way. Now these, except for this one and another one, can go in any direction, so really doesn't matter. I'll decide when I put my information on the back, but I just did the same thing, kept it pretty much the same as the other one, leaving it like this, just adding tulle and some mesh with a circle punch and then a flower punch with a little flat back, a little gemmy there, and I did another black flat back on there just to add something to it. And then this one I just added some circles I took from some stash that I had here. I'm trying to use some old stash that I have, and I added some trim in the heart with the little black dot and some flat back pearls here. The lighting's not the best. This was the other one that I created. It has a little butterfly, and this is one of the flowers that I stamped with the new stamp that I have. Yeah, I'm really loving that stamp. And I just put a heart there. I may still put something in the center here, I'm not sure. But added the little black there, some gold tulle with that other gold trim on there. Very cute. And then these two, and again, they can flip whatever way that you want them. And so I just changed the tulle around. I didn't cut it evenly. I just cut and trimmed the mesh whatever way. It didn't really matter. I wanted to make them a little different and step outside my comfort zone, and I'm absolutely loving these. I just want to try doing some stuff with texture. I bought some gesso and that, so I'm going to try doing that stuff. But then again, there's another one. I just love these, and added some more gold trim on it. But those are the 10 that I created. We had a snow day today, so I was able to work from home. And of course, my work office computer where I can sign in is in my craft room. So in between busy times and break time and that, I was able to do some stuff. But of course, I spent most of the evening down here in my craft room. So this is what I created, and I thought I would share with you guys. I hope you love them, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.